Hello everyone, today we'll discuss how the Delhi High Court denies anticipatory bail to man accused of attacking and injuring lawyer. The Delhi High Court on Tuesday denied anticipatory bail for a man accused of attacking and injuring a lawyer. Merely because a person is a lawyer or a practicing advocate by profession, his complaint upon sustaining an injury by someone cannot be disregarded merely on the ground of his being a practicing advocate, and thus he knew how to draft a complaint. The same would be implied that an injured person who has his or her complaint prepared by a lawyer will be at better footing than a lawyer himself who has suffered injuries on the vital parts of the body, the court explained. The first information report against the accused was registered under sections 323, 341 and 34 done in furtherance of common intention of the Indian Penal Code. As per the FIR, a verbal altercation took place between the complainant and his cousin and the accused and the co-accused over an issue of weight of chicken purchased by the complainant from the accused. The prosecution claimed that post the altercation, the complainant went home and returned with his brother and friend to sort out the issue. However, a physical tussle ensued during which the complainant was hit on the head with an iron rod by the accused persons. He fell unconscious and was treated at AIIMS Trauma Center. During the course of investigation, discharge, summary, X-rays and MLCs were obtained, pursuant to which Section 308 IPC was added to the FIR.